Every process begins where nature finishes its work.
Timing and precision decide the sweetness within. From field to flow, the journey begins.
Quality is confirmed before distance adds time.
Volume moves best when coordinated. Cleanliness starts before the gates. Every kilogram is accounted for. Temperature protects sweetness. Handling preserves structure. Freshness reveals itself. Nothing is wasted. Stability ensures arrival intact.
Movement is authorized.
Distance compresses time. Moisture guards flavor. The threshold to processing. Raw harvest meets the system. Inside the facility, movement becomes controlled.
Flow prevents delay.
Access opens to processing.
Precision starts before unloading.
Stability ensures safety.
Verification before release.
Freshness meets gravity. Transport becomes continuous. The system takes control. Safety begins immediately. Balance protects quality.
Hydration preserves sweetness.
Temperature is constantly watched. Control refines consistency.
Order replaces randomness.
Preparation nears precision.
Recipe and process.
Pacing prevents stress. Transport ends where processing begins. Inside the facility, movement becomes controlled.
Flow prevents delay.
Access opens to processing.
Precision starts before unloading.
Stability ensures safety.
Contamination is stopped at the threshold.
Inside, scale becomes evident. Design dictates efficiency. Utilities feed the system. Flow must never break. Cleanliness is built into the ground. Human oversight remains essential.
Systems signal readiness.
Many inputs become one stream. Cleaning stands ready.
Surface impurities are removed.
Waste leaves as product advances. Entry gives way to selection. Sorting begins with motion. Uniformity improves consistency. Only suitable material advances.
Human judgment still matters.
Defects are isolated early. Cleaning intensifies. Gentle force protects structure. Purity is restored.
Resources are reused carefully.
Moisture is controlled. Data informs selection.
Sorted.
Standards remain strict. Sorting gives way to transformation. The core process begins. Data informs selection. Standards remain strict. Flow returns to 1. Preparation nears completion. Nothing escapes notice.
The line is approved.
Sorting gives way to transformation.
The core process begins. Processing begins at the core. Density determines direction. Alignment improves efficiency. Separation reveals the source. The usable portion moves on. Byproducts find their own path. Surface starch is reduced.
Moisture is adjusted.
Material gathers for change. Pressure and motion converge. Structure gives way to fluid. Consistency takes shape. Texture is refined. Nothing valuable is discarded. Flow is equalized. Uniformity is maintained. The process advances.
Heat unlocks potential.
Heat unlocks potential. Change requires control.
Change requires control.
Structure transforms. Structure transforms.
Time completes the reaction.
Time completes the reaction. Biology assists engineering. Biology assists engineering. Consistency is enforced. Sweetness emerges naturally.
Purity improves texture.
Purity improves texture. Only what is needed remains. Only what is needed remains. Balance is restored.
Balance is restored.
Texture refinement approaches. Uniformity is locked in. Stability is achieved. Heat gives way to calm. Parameters are met.
Parameters are met.
The product rests briefly. The product rests briefly. Readiness is preserved.
Automation now takes over.
Automation now takes over. Automation sustains precision.
Response is immediate.
Data guides decisions.
Human awareness remains central.
Cleanliness is automated. Verification precedes action. Stability protects equipment. Continuity is ensured.
Silence confirms success.
Direction is decided. Traceability is constant. Quality is continuously checked.
Analysis runs in parallel.
Systems move as one. The line is ready.
Final refinement begins.
Accuracy defines the outcome.
Containers prepare to receive. Purity begins inside. Position creates accuracy. Precision meets motion. Every bottle is equal. Clean lines remain clean. Security is measured.
Integrity is confirmed.
Presentation matters. Readiness is restored.
Completion approaches verification.
Consistency is maintained. Order emerges from motion.
Closure completes containment.
Identity is assigned.
Brand meets product.
Accuracy remains visible.
Details are enforced. Every bottle enters scrutiny.
Sampling ensures consistency.
Precision begins with measurement.
Acidity is checked meticulously.
Sweetness meets specification.
Safety is verified scientifically.
Texture remains uniform. Temperature stability is vital. Caps remain secure.
Approval grants passage.
Records ensure traceability. Human confirmation seals the process.
Overview reflects precision.
The path to dispatch begins. Systems align for the final stage.
Quality leads to presentation.
Final touches complete the product. Seals remain intact.
Presentation is verified. Every detail counts. Preparation meets logistics. Order organizes the product.
Protection accompanies distribution.
Verification secures dispatch.
Handling remains precise.
Storage is methodical.
Space maximized efficiently.
Dispatch begins seamlessly.
Distribution is assured.
Every pallet finds its journey.
And this is how modern factories produce sweet corn milk from start to finish.
Efficiency and precision dominate every corner. Transformation is imminent.